Hi all, welcome to PowerShell for Penetration Testers at Pentester Academy. In this video, let's have a look at basics of PowerShell scripting and related topics. We will write a very simple and basic script, save it and try to execute it. Let's start Windows PowerShell ISE. Let's just write a hello world. That is it. Our script should just print a hello world. Let's save it as hello world. PowerShell scripts have the extension of PS1. Now let's try to run this from the ISE. We got an error. Says the script cannot be loaded because running scripts is disabled on this system. And it also suggests the help topic. But we were using everything from the prompt. Maybe it has something to do with the ISE. Let's try running the script. So to run a PowerShell script, we just use a // and say the name of the script. Again, we are getting the same error and the same help suggestion about execution policies. So what is this execution policy? Execution policy stops a user from accidentally executing a PowerShell script. We can see the current value of execution policy using get execution policy commandlet. As we can see, it is restricted right now. So how do we execute scripts on a system if the execution policy is restricted? There are a number of ways, too many ways, but we will not be looking at it right now. We will see it when we move on to the security aspects of PowerShell. For now, let's see this help topic to get an idea of what is happening. The help topic describes the execution policies. I want you to read this. The execution policy is not a security system that restricts user actions. I am repeating this again and again because I have seen some environments and domain networks which rely on execution policy in an attempt to block unauthorized execution of PowerShell scripts. It is a fail. There is no restriction. If a user wants to, he can execute PowerShell scripts on a system. It just stops the PowerShell execution policy, just stops the accidental execution. As you can see, these are the policies with restricted being the default one, and as you can see there are unrestricted and even bypass modes of the execution policy. But you need to be an administrator to change the execution policy on a system. Again, we will see many methods later on to bypass the execution policy. For time being, we will set the execution policy to bypass. Yes. And now if we try to run our script, we executed it successfully. Also, we can try everything we have done so far in this ISC prompt. We can write scripts for various things, but that we will do after having a look at the functions in next few videos. So that is all for this video. Again, keep in mind that execution policy is not a security control. At best, it is a user discretion control. If you are enjoying your time at Pentester Academy, please do recommend us to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.